All right, here we go. Here we go. We're getting it together. We got our units in there. This is the system that comes from the Volvo, so we got that in there. Told y'all we was gonna get them flywheels in there because these bad boys, when we spin these things up, it's on. Okay, and here's the second one in there. That one's tucked back there, and we're gonna get the clutch driveline mechanism in there today. We're gonna be mounting that back there. Finish putting up the springs and stuff there, and so we got the components here. That's the driveline chain. Now we'll probably use the single strand chain for now. This is the double strand for when you want to use extreme power and torque, and then that's our hydraulic cylinders. But you know, axles like this, I mean, you can't use car parts because that stuff will, you know, you'll snap this axle before you even get out the driveway. And actually you should use heavier axle than this is a 2-inch axle. You actually should use heavier stuff than that, but right now we're just building low speed vehicles for proof of concept, because when you use flywheels like this, now this thing is 18 inches in diameter, weighs 300 pounds. You run it at 3,000 RPMs, you got 129,000 foot-pounds of torque. The usable foot-pounds would be around 10,200 foot-pounds, which is an enormous amount of torque that you get out of these machines. That's why we were able to pedal the big red dump truck with ease, because you get so much power and so much force that, you know, it doesn't take much effort to move it. That's, you know, this stuff is all too easy. So we're going to clean this bad boy up. She's going to be operational very shortly because we're under the gun to get this done within the next couple of weeks. Get her painted up, cleaned up, get the steering and everything all set up, and get her operational ASAP, because we got a lot of stuff on the line for this to get this operational.